Good afternoon. This is Randy Smotone with InvestSharp with your Wednesday, October the 21st market update. Oil was up today by $1.85, closing at almost $81 a barrel. The market was up for most of the day, and then late day sell-off started due to several contributing factors. One was Boeing had a wider than expected quarterly loss. Two, Walmart stated it would slash prices as it readies for what is likely to be a tough holiday shopping season. And then the Federal Beige Book report was out today, highlighting sluggish consumer spending, and also talked about the banking and real estate industries, the weakness in those areas. Four sectors did finish positive today. They were internet, software, oil, and utilities. Utilities were the strongest, which could be considered a kind of a defensive play. So you might want to check out Hung Power, which is ticker HMP, PG&E, which is ticker PCG, ANS Corp, which is ticker AES, Company Energetica, which is CIG, FPL Group, which is FPL, or OG&E Energy, which is OGE. So now let's go over here and take a look at the VIX. We had due to the kind of the late day sell-off, the VIX closed up 6% today. Closed at 2222, which really doesn't tell us much of anything yet. One day doesn't change our trend, so we kind of need another couple of days to see what is going to happen here. The VIX is awful low, so let's go over and check the Dow. So the Dow closed today down about 92 points, closing below the 10,000 mark at 9,949. Our uptrend is still intact. MACD looks like it is starting to roll over right down here a little bit. So again, we need a few more days to really see if the trend's going to change or not. Let's go look at the SPX 60-minute chart. So looking at the 60-minute chart, you can see here the late day sell-off. All of a sudden they sold it pretty hard. Right down here, sold it pretty hard. As you notice, down here the MACD is continuing to decline, which is pretty bearish. As you can see, it continues to decline. Now what we may do is we do have a gap down here, down around the 1075 on the SPX, and this is again on the 60-minute chart. We may go down and fill that gap, because you know how the market loves to fill gaps. So if that's true, that would take us down to around the 1075 area before turning back up. Again, that may not happen, but it's a possibility since there is a gap here. So now let's go over to the InvestSharp website and take a look at our current market signals. We follow the point and figure charts for the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P. All currently are on buy signals, and that did not change today. We did have one change in a point and figure price objective, and that was for the NASDAQ. Since the NASDAQ printed 2,190 today, it changed the current price objective from 2,450, which was what we had yesterday as a price objective. Today moved it up to 2,480. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and remember to always invest sharp.